Hello, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, wherever you are watching from. This is M Special. M Special has come again. I am a Biafran agitator. I'm very, very passionate about the freedom of my people and my nation from Nigeria. I also speak about Africa in general. So if you want to know what is happening currently in Biafra land, in Nigeria, or in Africa, this is the channel you must tune into. Hello, my viewers, my subscribers, my likes, the people that likes my videos. I hope you all are fine today. It's another day to the glory of the Lord whom we serve. In case you're a new person passing along this channel this morning or this afternoon or this evening or wherever you are watching, I plead you to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, like my channels. There is forum and space for comments. Every comment is welcome. Show your comments, send your comments. Let us know also what you think about what I am saying here. All comments are important because they add to our strength. Don't forget to put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be among the first to get the information. Thank you. Today is another day. This morning, I want to inform you that Ghana has lifted up their shutdown. Yes, good news. Ghana is the first country in the world to lift up this shutdown of a thing about COVID-19. And I'm very, very excited that the first country that can do that is Africa. That shows that our leaders are somehow waking up. Yes, it's not yet enough. The Ghanaian president lifted up the shutdown on 21st of April, which was a Monday. Although he said the borders are still closed for 2 weeks because most cases that are encountered in Ghana was a case of travelers. The schools are still closed. The market and the normal business are functioning normal, but the social distance is still being maintained, and no clubbing, no burial ceremonies, no wedding, no gathering together. Those ones are still in observation. But he did exactly what I expected other African countries to do, because we are not in the West. Our lifestyle is different. We are mostly people that eat from our daily struggles. So we cannot compete ourselves with those that has banked our money and they are using it to help their people. Yes, it's not their fault. It's not their fault. Our misleaders are supposed to have more than enough even for the world. They're supposed to be in position to borrow money to the world presently as it is now. But because of their mismanagement and lack of leadership qualities, that is what brought Africa where we are. Because we are not a poor continent. We own the world. We own it all. We own it all. Africa owns it all. That is the fact of the story. We are not poor. But when you have everything and you mismanage it because you have no common sense, then you made yourself to look like a rag. So this morning, this is the information I'm bringing. I'm excited that Ghana was the first country to lift up the shutdown. With this, I encourage my African leaders and people in position to start preparing, governing Africa democracy for Africa people and stop copying from the West. The democracy is for the people, from the people, by the people, to the people. So you have to know the need of the people on ground for your democracy to work well. So we should stop listening to foreign media telling us what to do, because this shutdown coming to Africa is really insane. Because if we focus well what we're supposed to do, yes, it's a dangerous pandemic, not pandemic, plandemic. So we supposed to use our brain to know how the shutdown in Africa would have functioned well for the benefit of the people on ground, knowing that most of our people are eating from their daily struggles. That being said, I want us to keep doing what we are doing because somebody somewhere is listening, and let us give concrete advices to our leaders and our misleaders, because we have no leaders. I call them misleaders, so that they can get a little common sense and lead us well. They are there. There's nothing we can do. So my advice also is that let our scientists, African scientists, African research, African teachers, professors, everything, start doing African things, considering African countries, their people, the locals, and their needs. Let us stop copying. Let us build our own. For this time of COVID pandemic 19, I will advise our professionals, especially the scientists, to please go ahead of only curing this sickness, but preventing it. Because I know that as far as Africa did not suffer or will not suffer by God's grace as they planned, they are going to do something very bad. So the earlier we get our own African-made vaccination, not Chinese, not Biget's own, we get our own African-made vaccination, it will go a long way to keep us alive to fight the battle against the world evil powers. Another thing I want to say in this video is that we should start governing African countries and continents for African people. That is my joy. That is what I want to see. That is the only way forward. We have to start producing our things. I am very proud of African countries this period. While the West are fighting for who imports what and who maneuvered what from where they imported it, no African country has a huge problem as such, as in materials to use for the little cases they have. They manage it with our own drugs, with our own equipment, and that brought up a very, very, very tangible and surprising report. What does that show us? That shows us that when we go to the West or when we go outside Africa to import what our people will eat or what our people will use as health facilities, they are being poisoned and give to us, and we will not know. We will collect it wholeheartedly with love, thinking that they are thinking towards us as we are thinking towards them. And this is a very big eye-opener for Africans and for African governments. Let us continue riding on this journey because it's not over yet, it's just starting. As I said in the beginning, the world will never come to be the same. Everything has changed and Africa has to wake up. Wake up, Africa. Wake up, African misleaders, and become leaders. Thank you and God bless you. Don't forget, this is M Special, bringing you the matter of the moment. Comment, because every comment is highly welcome. Nobody knows it all. Your comment may give me an idea to grow. Your comments may make me better as a person. The same, my talk may also make you better. And together we grow Africa. Thank you and have a wonderful day.